Hi, I'm Arielle Vandenberg and I wanted to invite you to get unready with me. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Oil Obsessed Total Cleansing Oil to get my makeup off, and then I'm going to use the Pure Plush Gentle Cleansing Foam. Okay, I'm back. I just took my makeup off, washed my face, and now I'm going to be using the Skinlongevity collection. First things first, Long Life Herb Serum. I'm gonna do a couple pumps. This serum is made with Long Life herbs from Okinawa, and it's super rich in minerals. Oh, I like to just kind of like work it around in my hands, get it all nice and like activated. Oh, and then it feels very like cooling. It's very therapeutic, to be honest with you. Oh, that is nice. And I always like try and go upward when I'm putting on any type of skincare. You wanna like lift the face. When I have time, I like to apply my green tea eye patches. I leave them on for 15 minutes. Oh, wrong way. Perfect. They really help with puffiness and okay, so cool. It feels so good. The green tea helps to energize tired eyes. I love using these when I'm traveling or, you know, like after a long flight or something like that, and it just helps so much. Or before a photo shoot. This green tea herbal eye mask is great for the delicate under eye area. I feel like if you have a long day and you just need to like actually chill out, these are perfect to just lay in for 15 minutes. So now just watch me do some poses for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna be using the Long Life Herb Eye Treatment. This little baby right here reduces wrinkles by 55%. I use my ring finger to put on eye cream. These are the most delicate fingers. You don't use them as much, I guess, because this is all super delicate right here too. And next, I'm going to be using the Skinlongevity Long Life Herb Night Treatment. This stuff is vegan, it's so soft, it honestly feels like silk. I kind of just like spread it around, and then I love giving myself a little face massage every night just to calm me down, just to get more relaxed for bed. You know when like facialists do that? Sometimes I do that to myself in the mirror. I'm like, what am I doing? Ooh! This actually improves skin texture by 85%. And all ages and skin types can use it, which is awesome because sometimes when you read certain things like anti-aging and stuff like that, you're like, I don't need that yet. But it's nice to have an anti-aging type moisturizer. Why not? Who wants to age? I also like to put it on my neck and take it down to my, what's that word? Décolleté. And that's it. That's my nighttime routine with Skinlongevity. I can't stress this enough. It's so awesome that it's cruelty-free and it's vegan. It's just all around a great collection, and you should check it out.